We've been hearing about Samsung's tri-fold phone for what feels like forever now, and it looks like the wait is finally about to pay off. New leaks are giving us the clearest picture yet of what Samsung has been cooking up. And honestly, it's shaping up to be the most ambitious Galaxy device in years. Fresh animations that just dropped show how the software will handle multitasking, and it looks super slick. You'll be able to run apps as floating windows, drag them around, and even carry on using the same apps seamlessly as you switch between the cover screen and the massive main display. And considering this phone folds inward with not one but two hinges, the smoothness of those transitions is seriously impressive. We're also getting hints of some serious camera upgrades. One of the leaked graphics shows a 100 times zoom feature, putting this foldable in the same league as the Galaxy S25 Ultra. That could also mean we're looking at a 200 megapixel main sensor on the back, which is a huge step up compared to what we've seen on Samsung's foldables so far. If this leak is true, this might finally be the foldable that nails photography. There's more. Samsung DeX and Galaxy AI are baked in, and the leaked clips show how features like AI-powered browsing and productivity tools would run across that extra-large interior display. You can even mirror your home screen setup from the outer display to the inside, and there's support for portrait mode when the phone is unfolded. Basically, it's trying to be a foldable phone, a mini tablet, and a productivity powerhouse all at once. Now, naming is still up in the air. Some leaks are calling it the Galaxy Z Tri-Fold, while others suggest the Galaxy G Fold. Either way, this is the first time we're seeing Samsung go beyond the standard fold design we've gotten used to. So when are we actually going to see it? Some rumors point to a launch event as early as next week, though availability might be limited at first, possibly just China and South Korea before it rolls out more widely. And if Samsung really does plan to launch it before the end of this year, we're in for an exciting finish. The only real question left is whether the hardware can keep up with all these new features. The Z Fold 7 had a smaller battery compared to the Ultra series, and with all this multitasking and AI running on the Tri-Fold, battery life could make or break the experience. But no matter what, this is the closest we've ever been to a true Tri-Fold Galaxy phone. And if the leaks are anything to go by, it's going to completely change what we expect from foldables. So what do you think? Is this the foldable that finally makes sense? Or is it just too much tech packed into one device? Drop your thoughts in the comments and I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, take care.